you are always on their mind. This individual sees you as the most beautifulest person they have ever laid eyes on. This individual felt at home with you. For some of you, you're with this person right now. For others of you, you're no longer with this individual. But this person, they can't quite describe the feeling that you have made them feel. You know, you had this way about you whereby you saw them. You saw the core of them, not the outer, and you accepted them. You know, it wasn't a situation of you trying to change them to be anyone but themselves. Don't get me wrong, if this person slipped up in any way, you will call them out, but you accepted them, flaws and all. And it gave them a sense of feeling confident to express themselves, just to be, you know. They didn't care what anyone else thought about them, as long as they made you happy, as long as they showed up in the right way for you. They've never experienced what they've experienced with you. You gave them so much joy, so much love. For some of you, you married this individual. For others of you, they wished they married you. For others of you, marriage wasn't something that you discussed, but you shared so many great times together. You were like best friends. For some of you, this could be a best friend. And they look back on the memories that they created with you. You were like a sister. You were like a brother, you know. Even if you were dating this individual, this person saw you as like a sister, a mother, a brother, you know, everything all in one. They felt so lucky. You brought so much joy into their life, so much fun and play. You helped them get in touch with their inner child. For some of you, this person wanted to have children with you. They felt that you blended well together. Both of your energies combined, created a safe haven for this person. They felt like you both balanced each other out. But unfortunately, they also feel like they made the wrong choices. They were presented with a decision to make, either to change a certain way of being, to change their life, or to stay in the past. And for some of you, they didn't make a choice. They had one foot in with you and one foot in the past. For others of you, they refused to change, you know, and this caused a lot of drama in your connection. For some of you, if it is a best friend, they allowed maybe an ex-partner. I say ex, so it could have been a situation whereby they chose a partner over you. And you were trying to warn this person about this partner. Maybe they were complaining about this partner. They were telling you stuff about how mean-spirited this person was towards them. And they sided with this partner, or this partner forced them to cut you off. And they did so. And they didn't want to. We got the King and we got the Queen of Swords. But they were in an energy of feeling some type of lack. And they didn't feel or think that they would gain anything from leaving this individual. And they pushed down their heartbreak and their pain, and they suffered, and they sabotaged this connection that they had with you, whether it was a romantic connection or a friendship. And so you had to work through your emotions, and you had to move forward, and you began to excel. And they noticed about you, or they saw this for themselves, but it was almost like you were both strangers to each other. For some of you, you met your emperor. You met your match. For others of you, this person wishes that they could have been an emperor to you. They wish that they invested in this actual connection with you and gave you the commitment that you desired and that you deserved. They wish they did not cause, I should say, a tower moment, because there was a dramatic tower moment. it went from something so beautiful to something that was a living nightmare because a third party got in the way. And they invited this third party in, whether knowingly or unknowingly. Obviously, for some of you, knowingly, because they were dating this person. For others of you, it could have been another influence. Maybe their friends were toxic and they sided with their friend over you. Whether or not they want to admit that, this was the case. Because they were not choosing to cut off this friend who was very toxic, who was influencing them to partly not change and not evolve. Which meant that for some of you, you were unable to have the things that Spirit almost, was saying to them that this is your destiny. Like, this person is your destiny. You can have it all. Literally, you can have it all. You can have the love, the abundant life, the happiness, the vitality, the children, the life that you always wanted, with a partner that you always wanted. It was literally there for the taking, but they allowed whoever they allowed to destroy. And the thing is, it's not just about the other person. It's a choice. I always say that, right? It's a choice, and they chose what they chose. They were presented with a choice and they chose what they felt was best for them. And they paid the consequences dramatically. And now they look back on the situation and they realize that they chose wrong, because they're seeing that whoever they chose over you was indeed a snake. Whoever this person was did not want them to evolve. They did not want them to advance. They were extremely manipulative and they used a lot of emotional manipulation with your person. For some of you, this individual tried to present your person with many options, and these options could have been in regards to substances, in regards to love suitors. They did not want your person to thrive. And you could see that. And, it was just getting too much for you. So you may have ended the connection with the Ten of Swords because you started to feel left out in the cold. For some of you, they did push you out in the cold. And now they're left wondering where you are, where you at. Because Spirit forced this connection to come to a dramatic end because it was affecting your nervous system and it was affecting your peace. And now that you're no longer either with this person or friends with this individual, you are having so much peace. And guess what? For some of you, this individual is no longer in contact with whoever they chose over you. They see you as the Empress, the highest of them all, whether you are a male or a female listening to this. They wonder, what was they thinking? I feel like for some of you, they just assume that an energy like yours will always be around, or any energy like yours will come around again, even if it wasn't yourself. They felt like they definitely had a toxic attachment to whoever this person was. This person was feeding off their lower vibration. That's how they attracted each other, and they were not in the mindset to break this person off. And in that moment, they chose what they felt was best for them. And then Spirit took away who was the right person for them, because you're successful now. You're thriving. Some of you have children now. Some of you are married now. Some of you have a business and it's thriving. Some of you are expanding at work. Some of you have had a glow up. You've moved home. There's different things going on for each and every one of you. And this person, they're no longer with that person anymore. For some of you, they could be financially struggling. For some of you, this person's partner has many different options. And their partner may have been trying to say, oh, you're going to try and get them to cheat or whatever it is. Everything their person was saying about you, they were actually doing it. their person at the time didn't want them to expand. Their person was threatened because their person knew that you are very independent. You are a go-getter. And if their person, i.e. your best friend, stayed with you, they felt that your best friend would eventually wake up and leave them. Because you were a good influence to this individual. You didn't want anything bad for them. You wanted the best. You were a cheerleader. For some of you, this person is extremely talented. Extremely talented. But they were so consumed with this actual connection that it just warped their whole mind. And Spirit is saying, you know what? It's possibly the best that you removed yourself, because since you removed yourself, you are thriving. You have thrived. For others of you, this is a love relationship whereby your person was just tuned in to some toxic friend that they believed had their best interests at heart, when in actual fact their friend was very angry and bitter with life, and they were jealous of your person. They saw that you could give your person the life that they felt they will never have. So they deterred your person away from you, and your person fell right into the trap. And now you are connected to someone else, someone that sees your value, someone that is a match emperor. And this person still thinks about you secretly, even if there was someone else